Okay, got it set up for indirect heat, wood chips on the side, temperature probe in, fat cap it up. Now we shut the lid and go from there. Okay, it's been about 4 hours. Right now we're at about a medium, or about a rare. We're going to take it up to medium. My boy likes it medium. Normally I go medium rare. You know, pretty good temperature, about 325, 350, about 4 hours. Let's open her up, see what it looks like. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful. Put the lid back on. Pretty soon we'll do the reverse shear method. We take it out and shear it. We're on the fat cap side. Hey, about another hour to go. No hurry. Alright, there it is. It's been another hour. It's right on medium rare. Looks like the fat cap crisped up pretty good. I don't think I'll even bother with the reverse seared on this one. Oh, the smell is so good. Well, I'm going to take it off, wrap it with some foil, and let her rest. I'll be right back. Alright, so I brought it in the house, wrapped it with some foil. I'm just going to let it rest for about an hour. And I'll stick it in the oven. When it's time to eat, we'll just warm it up a little bit. There it is, folks. Hot off the grill, been resting for about an hour. Perfect, medium rare. Wow, if you guys should just smell that now, it just smells so great. So tender and juicy. Wow, hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it for you guys. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.